don't even think about so-called educated people to save Goa.
The biggest problems in our world are created by highly educated people.
The moment someone tries to play their educational card, saying, I am doctor, engineer, lawyer, in other words, what they are trying to say is, they are special and they are looking out for useful idiots. Please don't be one, because as far as intelligence is concerned, you are not less than anybody.
A baby born to a poor peasant family was likely to be as intelligent as the crown prince, as the son of the king.
A genuine person will never think that he is special, but a selfish person will.
Here is the reality of the so-called educated people.
आईएएस दंपति के 550 डीमेट खातों उनके एजेंट्स का पता चला है। चौंकाने वाली बात यह है कि इस रैकेट में कई आईएएस अफसरों और सरकारी अफसरों की पत्नियां एजेंट थी।
नंबर 2 का पैसा कमाना एक बात है, लेकिन उसे नंबर 1 का बनाना दूसरी बात है। अरविंद जोशी और टीनू जोशी की काली कमाई करोड़ों में थी।
अब जस्टिस कार्डियो ने अपने ट्विटर हैंडल पर लिखा, I have been a lawyer for 20 years. मैं वही बात अंग्रेजी में दोहरा रहा हूँ. And a judge for another 20. I have known so many good judges and many bad judges, but I have never known any judge in the Indian judiciary as a shameless and disgraceful as this sexual pervert Ranjan Gogoi.
Now, once when my son early morning at 8:30 gets to the hospital, after 1.5 hours, we get a call from the hospital to transfer 2 lakh rupees immediately. I was shocked. I said, you had given us 3,200 rupees for the procedure plus the room charges. What is the 2 lakh rupees for? And we will not believe, they started negotiating with me like a sabji mandi. They said, okay, how much are you ready to give? Would you give 1.5? Okay, would you give 1 lakh? Okay, give us 90,000 rupiah. This was the kind of scenario. And when they spoke to each other, did I get a call? Okay, ma'am, you can deposit 25,000 rupees. We are doing everything best possible. You make us clap. You make us ring the bells for these kind of people. These butcher khanas, what they have made. Save us from these butchers. Save us from these butchers. Today I am an educated and aware woman. I could still fight. I could still argue. How about the people who succumb to their threats, who succumb to the scare what they put in them? Mr. Naresh Trehan, or I would say Dr. Naresh Trehan, who is the owner of this big hospital, when he comes on the TV, he acts as if he's a devta of some place. When he comes on the TV, he acts as if he's a devta of some place.
एक्चुअल जो आपकी इलाज का कॉस्ट था वो 10% था। आम जनता को बता रहा हूं, ये 90% इन सब की कमीशनें बनी हुई हैं। 10% में आपका इलाज हो जाता। आज जो बिल आप 2 लाख रुपए का देके आते हैं वो 20,000 रुपए का भी नहीं था। अच्छा, इनको भी ना ट्रेनिंग मिलती है। इनकी ट्रेनिंग क्या है? डॉक्टर्स को थोड़ा पेशेंट को डरा दो, पहले जबरदस्ती मत करो, थोड़ा पहले पेशेंट को डरा दो। एक बार डरा दो फिर देगा आपको पैसा। उसको जिंदगी, रिश्ते, अपने माता पिता, प्यारे जो मर्जी ले लो, जबरदस्ती मत बोलो। पहले थोड़ा डराओ पेशेंट को, हल्का सा धमकाओ पेशेंट को कि तू बड़ा नुकसान होने। वो अच्छा डॉक्टर साहब, जो कहते हो कर लो डॉक्टर साहब। आज ये एक झटके में जिंदगी भर की सेविंग भी खा जाते हैं आपकी। शर्म नहीं आती इनको।
There are few doctors, engineers, lawyers in Goa who are not corrupt because they are intelligent. An intelligent person will never underestimate others. Every intellectual person knows if there is a laborer, he is one only because of his surrounding environment and financial situation. Had nothing to do with his intelligence. At some point, we need to realize this so that we take action and create impact in our communities to transform Goa.
I had lots of parents, rich people who had computers and who used to tell me, you know, my son, I think he's gifted because, you know, he does wonderful things with computers. And my daughter, oh, surely she's, you know, extra intelligent and so on. So I suddenly figured that how come all the rich people are having these extraordinary gifted children? What did the poor do wrong? I made a hole in the boundary wall of the slum next to my office, and I stuck a computer inside it just to see what would happen if I gave a computer to children who never would have one, didn't know any English, didn't know what the internet was. Here's a short glimpse from those years. That's the first day at the hole in the wall. On your right is an 8-year-old. To his left is his student. She is 6. And he's teaching her how to browse. So I started publishing. I published everywhere. I wrote down and measured everything. And I said, in 9 months, a group of children left alone with a computer in any language would reach the same standard as an office secretary in the West. I'd seen it happen over and over and over again.
Provide free and quality education for every Goan child. And I mean even in remote villages. In 1992, some of Nordic countries started free education system, and today they are producing maximum number of scientists in the world.
So here's what happened. Back in the day, Finland's schools sucked on the level that ours suck on. When they tested the world's kids, both Finland and us were usually about the same, somewhere down the list of nations. But Finland didn't like that. So they tried some new ideas, and in no time, Finland shot to the top of the world. Their students were #1. How did they do that?
Why can't we do that in Goa? Money is not the problem. What we need is the heart and the will to do it. Our politicians are on record saying Goan youth are not skilled. It is not the Goan youth who are unskilled. It is the terrible politicians we had all along. That is the reality.
In 9 months, a group of children left alone with a computer in any language would reach the same standard as an office secretary in the West.
Or you might conclude that the devil's greatest trick is convincing the world that he does not exist.
Today, we are Hindus, Muslims, Christians, mostly because of our parents. And our parents were so because of their parents. You are human first, and freedom is the highest goal of human being. Especially the youth. It is your freedom. It is your future which is in danger today. You are the one who have everything to lose. फाल्यां तुमकां भुरगीं जातलीं. आयजूच गोंयची परिस्थिती इतली जाल्यार फाल्यां कितली जातली?
म्हणूंक लागलें गव्हर्मेंट जॉब दिता, खूब जाणांक दिला आपणें म्हणूंक लागलें. इतलें तेणें म्हाका सजयलें म्हाज्या 45 लॅक्सांनी. म्हाज्या 45 लॅक्स दिल्या तोंड लिपयता पळय माजरान तेणें सांगलें केदोय कोणूय येवन म्हाजे पयशे म्हाका दिल्या बगर हांव सोडटें.
कळोन येलें की एक पोस्ट जे गव्हर्मेंटान घेतलेले ते पोस्टाक गव्हर्मेंटान 40 लाख घेतले म्हणून. 40 लाख आमकां तोंडान म्हणपाक भरपूर इजी. 40 लाख एक पोस्टाक. तुम्ही हे जे गव्हर्मेंट जे चलयलां हे तुम्ही फकत रीच लोकांक लागून चलयलां. हितून फकत रीच लोकांनी तुमगे हितून काम करपाचें आनी गरीब लोक जे आसा हेणी फकत तुमकां वोटींग करपाचें. गरीब लोक तुमकां कित्याक जाय फकत वोटिंगा लागून जाय. आनी हे रीच पीपल जे आसा रीच जे आसा हे तुमकां जॉब दिवपाक ते लोक जाय. बारीक लोक फकत वोटींग पुरते. गरीब लोक जे आसा हेणी एग्रीकल्चर करपाचें आनी जे रीच जे आसा हेणी ह्यो फेक डिग्री घेवन पयशे दिवन जॉब घेवपाचे. हेच गव्हर्मेंटाक एक धोरण एक उरलां. आनी जेंचे कडेन पयशे बिशे कांय ना, जेंचे कडेन कांय ना तेंच्या आयज हांगसर जॉब जायना कांय जायना तेणी हांगसर इंटरव्यू दित रावपाच्यो. जी एप्लिकेशन दिवन खंयचे खंयचे पोस्ट येता एप्लाय करीत रावपाचे. दीत राव ते इंटरव्यू दी एप्लिकेशन सगळी बरीत राव. तुका जॉब मेळपाना. जॉब जो ऑलरेडी आसा हो फिक्स जालो. सो ताणें लाख जे दिले ऑलरेडी 40 लाख 10 लाख 20 लाख 30 लाख जे कोण दिले तेगे जॉब जालो ऑलरेडी. ती फकत वचून थंगसर इंटरव्यू दिवपा नांव करपाचें.
IIT जे आसा शैक्षणिक संस्था जी आसा आणि तांचें स्वागत आसा ज्या ज्या कितें शैक्षणिक संस्था आसा त्यो. पण ताजी व्यवहारिकता जी आसा IIT संस्थेची ती व्यवहारिकता गोंयच्या कॉन्टेक्स्टान गोंयकारपण जें आमकां अपेक्षीत जें आसा आनी गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर कितली प्रॅक्टिकल आसा आनी व्यवहारीक आसा असो विशय आसा तो. सो डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ IIT ऑफ गोवा जें आमी हें केलें एनालिसीस तातूंत टोटल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन फॉर गोवन्स इज ओन्ली 5%. दुसरो पॉइंट एक लक्षात आयलो की रेव्हेन्यू जनरेशन इज लेस देन 2% टू द स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट. सो सगळे दावे सरकारचे आणि IITचे कशे खोटे ठरतात हे तुमच्या फुड्यान एक म्हणचें. तिसरें जें आसा, एडमिशन कोटा इज नॉट सँक्शन्ड. गोंयची जमीन वापरतले आणि गोंयचे आमचे विद्यार्थी जे आसात तांकां एडमिशन कोटाच दिवप ना, अशा प्रकारचो अजेंडा जो आसा, म्हणजे विच इज एंटी गोवा एजेंडा, हो IIT गोवाचो आसा काय कितें अशें दिसता. आणि अजून पर्यंत हांवें जशें सांगलां तशें टिचींग स्टाफ आणि नॉन टिचींग स्टाफ हाजी फुडें प्रमाण वाडटलें. तातूंत हे हांवें तुमकां सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे एका धर्माचेर आधारीत जे आसा त्या मनशांक आपापल्या नेटिव्ह विलेजींतल्यान हाडून तांकां मागीर ही जी संस्था जी आसा, प्रथित यश संस्था जी आसा, त्या संस्थेचें नांव हे बदनाम करतात. गोवा IIT सांबाळणारे असिस्टंट रजिस्ट्रार आणि रजिस्ट्रार. सो मायग्रंट्स आर गेटिंग जॉब्स. हे अजून पर्यंत तथ्य जे आसा, रियालिटी हे सिद्ध जाला.
You are the chief minister, you are also the home minister. Why don't you direct Goa's DGP to conduct an immediate inquiry into the entire job scam that this state has faced over the last few years? We all know that at least of 2 job scamsters have collected over the last few years during the rule lakhs of rupees from hundreds of people offering them government jobs. They have in fact raked in crores of rupees in this alleged multi-crore job scam.
ताका व्हडले अकाउंटंट म्हणून त्यांनी म्हणालो तू यू हॅव टू पे 32 लाख रुपया म्हणालो. सो आय पेड हिम 32 लाख रुपीज. 32 लाख रुपीज 1 मिलियन. हांवें म्हटलें म्हाजे दुसरो चेडो सिव्हिल इंजिनियर तेजे आड मला 10 लाख रुपया. हे पळय मिहीर नांव तेजें. परत 10 लाख दिले. टोटल ताका 42 लाख रुपीज दिले. 1 महिना जाला, 2 महिने झाले, 3 महिने झाले, 4 महिने झाले, 5 महिने झाले, 6 महिने झाले. हेजो रिस्पॉन्स ना. इवन ताका शेवट सांगलें आय विल मेक द पुलीस कंप्लेंट. तो म्हाका किधर जाएगा, गोवा का पुलीस ना, ये देखो. ही तेजी स्टायल. म्हाका सांगता गोवा का पुलीस ना, ये देखो. अशें तिणें म्हाका सांगलां.
This is happening all the time. When will anyone do anything about it?
Because if not us, who? If not now, when?
We need to do something. If we do nothing, nothing is going to change. WhatsApp forwards are not enough. We have enough uncles and aunties to do that, to tell others what to do, what not to do. And here we are. The system, the future gets worse day by day that we don't do something about it. Yes, it's risky. Yes, it's uncomfortable. But that is why we need to do it. Because if we don't, no one else will.
Fight for freedom, and freedom will fight for you.
Goinkara, you have 2 options. Option 1, remain selfish and keep whining, keep complaining, keep protesting against corrupt leaders, and during election time get hypnotized with few currency note and elect the same corrupt leaders who you were complaining about. And after election, the vicious cycle repeats again. Whining, complaining, protesting against the same corrupt leaders they themselves have elected. Option 2, Goinkara, you choose the leaders in your own villages wisely, not because they are wealthy and powerful, but because they are smart and intelligent. Intelligent leaders are not hungry for attention. Intelligent leaders are not hungry for power. Intelligent leaders have no desires. They have vision. And there is enough intelligence in Goa. There is enough intelligence in every village of Goa. Listen to your heart, because you are one of them.
Be your own master. Do not serve any other master than the greatest master. And actually, that greatest master is in your heart. So follow your heart.
We all can create change, whether it is in our neighborhood or in our local schools, because the bottom line is, it is up to us.
गोंयकारा आयज तूं कोणूय आसूं, एक शेतकार or एक scientist. If you really care about Goa, then do something. Like that frog. The frog did not do it to become a hero. That was pure intelligence. And if enough intelligent Goenkas come together, then there is no doubt. Goa will change in a way that we never even imagined it's possible.
Mission: to save whatever is remaining of Goa. Goals: to provide free and quality education for every Goan child. To provide free and quality healthcare for every Goan. To implement zero tolerance policies in Goa.